Hello guys, I want to talk about this video, create a video tutorial and make money online. So let's get started. Create video tutorial. This is another from to video content, but it is silently different from blogging. Starting a YouTube channel where you are either review product or offer tutorial is another great way to make money online. It may require some editing skill and good lighting, but once you have got a decent following, you will slowly start to see the talk. How actually does its work? Well, the more subscriber you have, the more likely it is that companies you will send product to review or pay you in exchange for product placement. You can also showcase your video on your website by using wix video. So video tutorials are a great way to earn your experience and knowledge into content that can be shared and distributed for a large audience and create passive income for you. At the same time, the more thoroughly you establish as an expert in your field, so your video tutorial, that easier it is to monetize your content. And comes, great video tutorial can be a time consuming way to make money. No matter how well you know your subject matter, you will have to plan out your video tutorial, including its length and video script. Your video will then need to be edited and promoted. This can take considerable time and resources.